Hi all, we are opening hidden secrets of the world. Subscribe if you have not done already. As mentioned in the topic, we are going to discuss today 4 major quick techniques to keep away your mind pain or to get rid from your committing suicide sense. First one is thinking deliberately about your senses. How this happens, I will explain now. Let's assume that you felt commit yourself suicide or do a bad thing. Quickly what you have to do is think deliberately and hold that sense in your mind for a certain time. Try to do that. It may be 1 second, 2 second or 3 second. Important thing is deliberately you have to hold that. Deliberately in the sense at that time you feel that you are sitting or standing and also trying to hold that sense. Just try and see. You will feel automatically then that sense will disappear. Second quick method is counting deliberately. Let's assume that you felt commit yourself suicide. In front of you within 6 or 5 meters a sea or hell is there. You are going to jump now. Or some train is coming, you are going to jump. Quickly what you have to do is when you are going to that terrible destination, count your steps deliberately. Again deliberately in the sense you should feel what you are doing and what you are counting. Remember not to move your tongue. Those counting should be done in mind. You will feel automatically if you have done it correctly. Those senses will disappear. The third quick method is meditation. In meditation, you are trying to hold some object in your mind deliberately for a certain period. Let's assume you need to go to somewhere from your place to a place which you can see in front of you. That may be within 5-10 meters ahead. Now from your place you determine that I will think my movements of legs until to that destination. After determining that you will start your journey. Then you will feel how your legs are moving. At your destination give up. Again you can determine and go. This determination is very important, remember. When you are determining and go, your mind won't go out frequently. Spontaneously your mind will target that task. Likewise, after determining, you can think about many objects, sounds, movements as targets and practice. The fourth quick technique is hypnosis. You can hypnotize yourself easily. What you have to do is relax your body part by part like this. Let's say I will stand or sit calm and quiet place. That means it should not be a noisy place. And closing your eyes or not. Now you can think without moving your tongue. I will relax my arms 2 times than earlier. Then you will feel your arms will be down relaxedly with a weight. I will relax my shoulders 2 times than earlier. Then feel shoulders are getting down with a weight, most probably when you breathe out. Then think my face muscles are relaxing 2 times than earlier. Then you will feel that. Likewise, part by part in your body, you can do this exercise for some time. It may be for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Then think your eyes. Your eyes will relax 2 times than earlier. Think continuously. You will feel your eyes are closing. After some times, it may be a thoroughly closing. After closing thoroughly, now is the time to count from 10 to 1. Mostly this may be while you are breathing out. After coming one, you can put your ideas to your mind determining. For example, I will be the greatest in the world. I will be a calm and happy person in the world. Such kind of painful will not come again. Likewise, instruct your mind. In all techniques, remember, your tongue is not moving. All should be done by using your mind. Also note that after starting this kind of activities, practices, your pains will go out, sometimes after increasing and decreasing. Merely because painfulness increased, don't stop the practices. Keep on continuing those. Okay, if you got something new, subscribe our YouTube channel. We will meet in future with new videos regarding mind development.